Performance anxiety? Well, what if you could start retraining your body's fight or flight response while you're just driving to work? That's what we're going to be shooting for today. Stick around. Hey guys, Brian Mahoney here from psychologicaled.com. I help guys solve psychological ED so you can relax, get hard, and really enjoy sex again. Today, in talking about hypnosis, I know it's probably kind of weird to think about it as doing while you're driving to work. But stick with me, because there's some fascinating science here that's probably going to change how you think about stuff like this. We're leaning on work from researchers who've developed what's called the Valencia model of waking hypnosis. It was developed by psychologist Antonio Capafons and his team in Valencia, Spain, in the late 90s, early 2000s. They took older ideas about waking and active alert hypnosis and turned them into a structured system you can use with people who are fully awake, moving, talking, and even doing everyday tasks. In their research, they showed that you don't need a dark room and a deep trance to change how the nervous system reacts. You can work with people while they're sitting up, waking, walking, or doing real-life activities and still get useful shifts in pain, anxiety, and physical symptoms. Instead of saying you're going into a trance, they treat hypnosis as a practical self-regulation skill, something you can switch on quickly to handle stress better and respond differently under pressure. That's what we're doing here. We're taking those same principles and dropping them into your reality, your car, your commute, your bedroom. Safety first. Your number one job today is to drive safely. Keep your eyes on the road, stay sharp, stay alert, obey the law. My voice is just going to be the background GPS for your physiology. If at any point you feel even the slightest bit zoned out or less than completely focused on driving, pause this immediately and come back to it later when you're parked. Your safety is absolutely the most important thing here. Again, 100% alertness, and I'll remind you through the session. This will probably be review for some of you, but it's important to touch on here. Your nervous system has two main modes. One is sympathetic, the fight or flight response. The other is parasympathetic, relax, flow, rest and digest. Performance anxiety happens when your brain accidentally hits the fight or flight switch during sex. It thinks you're in danger. And your body's smart. It's not going to send blood to your core, to your groin, if it feels like you need that blood out in your arms and legs so you can either run or fight. So today, we're training your body to stay in what I call calm command. We're proving to your brain that you can be 100% alert and in control, like you are right now, behind the wheel, without being tense. You're remapping focus to mean flow, not fear. We're not sedating you. We're training your nervous system to access that parasympathetic, relaxed but ready mode while you're awake, moving and handling real-world demands. Eyes on the road, hands steady. Let's prime your system. We're going to use something called exhalation priming. When your exhale is a bit longer than your inhale, it sends a biological all-clear signal through your body, a signal that it's safe to ease off the gas on your stress response. Think of it as a manual override for your heart rate and tension.
I want to make it clear that I am not a psychologist or doctor, and the information provided in this video is for general information. I'm not liable for any losses, damages, or consequences arising from the use of the information provided here.
Okay, I'm going to do a 10-second countdown, and what follows is designed to be listened to while you're driving. Again, if you feel even the slightest bit distracted by this, please turn it off. Otherwise, we're going to dim the video and we can begin. If traffic is light and you feel comfortable, try this with me. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, in for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, out for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if counting feels like too much to do while you're driving, forget the numbers and just let each exhale be a little longer than the inhale. As you breathe out, I want you to feel what we're going to call your supple power. Your grip on the wheel is firm and controlled, but your jaw can stay loose. Your shoulders can just drop a little. You're teaching your brain that you can handle a high-performance machine without your body locking up. The engine works best when the valves are open. So, paying attention to the traffic ahead of you, taking it in if there is any, and when the cars are moving smoothly, whether it's yours or theirs, it's because the lanes are clear. There's no friction, no bottlenecks, just steady flow. I'm sure you know what that's like driving, whether it's what's happening to you now or otherwise. Your circulatory system is the same. Performance anxiety is like a traffic jam in your mind. Too many what-ifs, too many mental brake lights, not enough green lights. So right now, alert, looking at the road. Maybe it's busy, maybe it's quiet, but you're navigating it. You're proving to yourself that you can manage speed, distance, and decisions with a relaxed body, no sign of seizing up. When you're driving, you don't force the car to move. You direct the energy. You turn the wheel, you guide the speed, and the car responds. Your body is built the same way. You don't have to will a sexual response any more than you have to will the fuel to burn. You clear the path and the physics of your body take over. Command and calm are learning to be the same thing in your nervous system. So now we're going to run a system loop check. I'm going to give you a repeat core truth. You don't need to analyze it or try to make it work. Just kind of let it hum in the background, like the sound of your tires on the pavement or the wind somewhere. You stay alert, you stay in control. Let the words just soak into that back door of your mind while you stay alert and in control of your car, driving smoothly. Here we go. The way is clear. The flow is steady. Stay alert. The way is clear. The flow is steady. Keep driving. Stay sharp. The way is clear. The flow is steady. Notice the green lights. Notice the distance you've already covered. The way is clear. The flow is steady. Your body knows the route. Your blood knows the path. The way is clear. The flow is steady. The way is clear. The flow is steady. You're the operating. You're in total command. The way is clear. The flow is steady. Hands on the wheel. The old bottleneck gone. The gates are open. The way is clear. The flow is steady. Focus is calm. Command is easy. Hands on the wheel. The way is clear. The flow is steady. The way is clear. The flow is steady. Alert. Driving well. The way is clear. The flow is steady. The way is clear. The flow is steady. The way is clear. The flow is steady. The way is clear. The flow is steady and strong. Now, without taking your attention off the road, just bring your mind to the idea of the next time you're with a partner. You don't have to play a movie in your head. There shouldn't be a distraction in any way. Just a simple image or a sense of kind of what it's like to be there is enough. And as you do that, I want you to bring this exact feeling with you. Not a sleeping meditation feeling, but this driving feeling. Alert, present, flowing, in command. Alert, present, flowing, shoulders relax, commanding. Alert, present, flowing, in command. And you're wiring your brain to associate intimacy with this state of calm command. The old anxiety circuit, that quick flip into, all that stuff, is getting paved over by this new high-speed highway you're rehearsing right now. The way is clear, the flow is steady. Every mile you drive, every minute, locks this in just a little bit deeper. The way is clear, the flow is steady. Each smooth lane change you may make, each turn is your nervous system proving, I can handle driving in precision and I can relax at the same time. All right, we're wrapping up this session, but your drive continues. Feel the weight of your hands in the wheel. Notice the clarity in your vision, the awareness of your mirrors, lights, and space around you, alert. Take one last gentle 4 in, 6 out breath. 4 in through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 out through your mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eyes sharp, mind clear, fully present in the driver's seat of your body. From here on, if you ever notice yourself getting drowsy, spaced out, or less focused while listening to this, just turn it on and refocus on the road. Come back to it when you're parked or at a time when you can give it the right kind of attention. You might want to try listening to this once a day for the next few weeks on a safe, familiar route when you're awake and aware, not too tired, not exhausted. We're building nervous system muscle memory, and the more miles you put in with this new way of thinking, the more it becomes your automatic default when it counts. And if you want a little bonus challenge, start noticing your Easter eggs. Every green light is a quiet reminder. The way is clear, the flow is steady. Every green light is a body check. Jaw loose, shoulders easy, grip steady. Every smooth lane change is proof. The way is clear, the flow is steady. Every smooth lane change is proof I can be alert and aware, and my body can be in that relaxed, flowing state at the same time. Those little cues will keep reinforcing these ideas in your nervous system even when the audio is not playing. Like most of the exercises I post in this channel, I think they can really help over time. But if you're in a place where you've been struggling with this for a while and you're still stuck, that might be a sign that it's time to bring in some skilled live help. If so, maybe we should talk. If we work privately, we can zero in on specifically what's driving your psychological ED. We can tailor hypnotherapy and other tools to your history, your triggers, your relationship, probably moving faster and more efficiently than you could on your own, just piecing things together from videos like this or apps. So if you'd really like to resolve this now, just click the link in the description down below to book a call. I'd be happy to learn about your situation and help you decide if I might be a good fit for you. Or just check out this next video. It's Hypnosis, and it's very different from what we did today. It's all about relaxation, calm, really letting go for a while. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.